Hey guys, so welcome to this vlog. It's the weekend and it's Friday. I'm gonna go over to Jessica and Stephanie's house. I've been quarantining with them this entire, whatever you wanna call this, pandemic, I guess. Yeah, I've just basically been seeing Jessica and hanging out with them since March 13th, since we've been in this. So yeah, we don't go out in public. I get all my groceries delivered. You guys know the deal. It's all cool. So I'm gonna go over there. We're gonna take a couple cute neighborhood little Insta pics of our outfit. We like to walk the block. Yeah, they have a really like quiet area. So there's like actually no people around, which is really nice, but we're gonna go take some outfit pictures and hang out. So I figured I would just take you along for the weekend. I'm gonna be kind of going on a few adventures. It's gonna be warm. It's the first day of stage 2 of California opening up, so that's kind of cool too. So it'll feel a little bit more lively and adventurous. So it's actually the next day. My hair is like frizzy. I just have these cute little braids in my hair. I didn't even secure them. But anyways, I actually didn't get any content of me and Stephanie taking pics because we were just kind of like driving around, chatting, catching up. It's Saturday and I'm actually gonna go tour an apartment or two. I always look at apartments. So I'm in an apartment obviously right now and it's a pretty big one, but I don't like the location particularly and the rent is like so insane. So I'm kind of looking to find something a little bit cheaper in a different area, always keeping my options open and looking at different places. So wow,
it's a crappy patio.
I ended up not loving the location of the last apartment, so I just figured I'm not gonna show it because I want to show you guys the important apartments that I look at. But I just made these are like sweet potato slices, and I just mashed avocado, celery, cilantro, salt, pepper. I put this truffle hot sauce on top. It's actually so freaking good. Little pre-dinner snack because I'll probably have like a veggie burger later or something. So Stephanie and Jessica are actually coming over. They're on their way right now. We're gonna go watch the sunset. There's a couple like little lookout points up like in the Hollywood Hills where you can watch the sunset. So I just thought it'd be cute for us girls to go watch the sunset together, take some pics. Be cute. I also just received these Bye Bye Germs, oh my gosh, all-purpose hand sanitizer, and this Bye Bye Germs wipes. These wipes are actually so juicy and moist. I keep these at my makeup desk because I like always am picking my eyes, picking my nose, wiping things down. So these are amazing. I'm actually gonna throw these in my purse because they're so moist. If you're looking for hand wipes, antibacterial, or sprays because everything's sold out, you should definitely check out the Bye Bye Germs. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wanna show you guys. Pixie Cosmetics. They just sent me this cute little bag. It's so freaking cute. I cannot wait to use this. It opens up. It's like a shower bag. I love that. I've actually been using a retinoid lately, so this is great. Looks like it comes with a cleanser, a tonic, oil blend, night oil, retinol, lotion, eye cream. What I like to do before I try any new products on my face, I try them on my neck or like one spot on my face. So I'll definitely be trying these on my neck for sure. Oh my god, the color and the packaging, so pretty. Look how this bag is so freaking pretty. Love you, Pixie. Oh, also, I just got these clips from Amazon. They were super cheap and they're like pretty big. Just to put my hair back, I'll link these below. But yeah, these just, I have been back to my old ways of loving this shade and light palette. I love the banana color, like the yellow. It brightens my under eyes so much. Like it just brightens it up. If I want to do anything else. Love a little braid moment. And then of course my favorite lip liner. Actually, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I always do that. I put on lip liner and then I go and brush my teeth. I've actually been loving this. I take this brown roller liner and I'll show you. I'm just gonna clean out the inside of my eye. And then with this, I'm just gonna drag it out so it gives like a point to my eye, but it's like not super harsh. Like it's not with black. I'm gonna brush my teeth and we'll go to the sunset. So cute. Cute. Stephanie being cute in her outfit. Morning, guys. So I woke up, I'm feeling really good, really energized. It's Sunday. It's weird. The weather is like kind of gloomy. But I don't know, I'm feeling really good. The hiking trails are open. I'm gonna try to go hike Runyon. And my hair is like, I got these stupid braids. And yeah, we're gonna go hiking. I just feel really good. I've got my hot lemon water right here. Just took a deep breath in and let it out. It feels so good. So I'll probably go on a hike, do some yoga and shower, do a little self-care moment with some self-tanner and just have a good day. I'm really, really excited.
out here with our lattes, going on cute little walks, looking at beautiful homes that are millions and millions of dollars here in Beverly Hills. They closed all the trails and all of the hiking places because it's Mother's Day and they didn't want huge crowds. Oh, this is my dream home. But it's literally such a dream. I looked up the price of this and it was 6.7 millis. All right, you guys, a little bit later in the day, we're making dinner. I was gonna order, but I decided to save some money, use the fresh produce we have. So this is romaine arugula, red onion, cucumber, dill, and celery. Super, super fresh. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna add some sunflower seeds on top, and these are sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Oh, I forgot. And then some hemp hearts. These are amazing omegas, so bomb, lots of protein. So if you're ever like worried about not getting protein from eating lots of salad, eat lots of hemp seeds and lots of seeds as well as like sunflower, pumpkin. In this, there's 8 grams of protein. And look at how many, look at all the vitamins. 8 grams of protein. 1/4 cup, which is tiny. I normally do like a lot, so. Also, to make this a little bit protein packed, I'm gonna add some garbanzo beans to the salad. Just for a 1/2 cup of these, it's 7 grams of protein, so that's like super bomb. So with like the 8 grams of protein plus the 10 plus the 7, how much is that? 18 plus, that's 25 grams of protein. If you split that in 2, each person gets 15 grams of protein. So 15 grams of protein for like literally half a salad is pretty freaking legit for just a bunch of vegetables, so. So now I'm just adding a bunch of pepper, then some Celtic salt. I'm gonna take white wine vinegar, just a little bit, and then some organic cold pressed olive oil. I'm gonna put a little nutritional yeast to thicken it up. I'm gonna do some honey mustard and a little bit of maple syrup to take the edge off. That's good. Michael Jordan doc, sweet potato fries, salad.
Was this suspension?
Happy Sunday. All right, guys, I'm vlogging from my phone because we're about to go check out an apartment. Not everything I want, but it's mostly what I want. I think the only thing that's missing from it is it's a lower leveled apartment. So I wanted to show you guys it because I feel like it's more something that like you guys will see me living in. Okay, so this is the very first apartment that we checked out, and it is $29.95 price point, which would save me about $550 a month. I love this. The only thing is it's lower level. As you can see, the living room's huge, and I love like the paneling on the walls. It's so beautiful. So you walk right into the dining room, and these all have like the boxed AC. So this is kind of like an extra room we would use as an office. And then you have like the kitchen. I just love this freaking old school style. As you can see, it gets a lot of light throughout the day. It's south and north facing, so I would get a lot of that kind of like semi-light. However, the only thing I don't like is in the living room. Once like the sun is setting, it's really dark. So you walk through this hallway, and then this is the bedroom. So as you can see, you definitely get some good light. It's nice and bright, really pretty, lots of storage space. So then you walk out of the bedroom, and it is a 1 bath. So you have this like built-in vanity, which is really cool, kind of like old school. You have another closet, and then the bathroom, it has the shower right there on the left-hand side. You just can't see it. But it's so clean and pretty, you guys. This is honestly my favorite, but I don't know. Okay, so this is the second apartment that I really, really liked. I checked out a lot, but these are the 2 that I loved the most. So this is the living room. Again, it's a lower level, not my favorite, but it's a big living room, and this one is west facing, so you get the sunset light in both this like dining room office and the living room, so I love that. The only thing that scares me is these windows look a little bit vulnerable, like someone could like break in off the street because this is right off the street, so that's a little weird. But this is the kitchen. I love it. Everything's immaculate, very vintage. There's a little mudroom, and this one actually has a washer and dryer in the unit. Again, this one is also bigger, and it is a little bit more expensive. It's $3,100 a month, so it only saved me about $400, which is still a good amount of money. And then there's like a closet, has a desk in it, and then you go into the bathroom here, and just a bigger bathroom too, and obviously it has the shower, and right off of the bathroom there's the bedroom. With this bedroom, it's a little dark pretty much all day because you have the trees and you have the other building blocking it, so I wouldn't get a lot of natural light in this bedroom, and it is only a 1 bedroom. Like I said, we'd use that dining room for an office and a guest space. but I'm not really sure. I feel like I like the first one more. You guys let me know.
Okay, so I'm back from looking at apartments, like out of breath because I'm running around. Jessica and Stephanie are here. Jessica's having foot surgery today, so I'm gonna take her with Stephanie, and then me and Stephanie are probably gonna go to the beach and hang out. So I figured I'd take you guys along. I'm wearing this new Joa Brown outfit. I freaking love Joa Brown. I wanna show you some of their stuff later, but I must go.
All right, you guys, big ass salad in the ocean from afar because it's freezing outside. Yeah, but this looks so freaking good. We're gonna shake it like the Kardashians. Look how big this shit is.
Oh my God, Kim.
Yeah, oh
Can you
my.
believe?
Breakfast time, smashed avocado with red onion, egg white, some peppers and potatoes on a gluten-free English muffin. Cheers, babe. Morning, guys. So I did my little foundationless makeup. It actually turned out pretty cute. It looks like I'm wearing like a lot of makeup, but I've just got like my cream bronzer, my blush, my cream highlight, my concealer, my mascara, and my eyebrows. Like I got a lot going on. Anyways, so yesterday we toured apartments, and then I took Jessica to go get her foot surgery done. And then Steph and I just hung out in Malibu where I took some cute pictures. And then, yeah, I just came home. I was super tired. And then today I'm just kind of making some executive decisions where do I want to put in my 30 days for this apartment and get one of the apartments that I showed you guys briefly. I don't know. I'm kind of like in this weird like where I'm comfortable, but I also know that I'm just paying too much. I just want to pay a little bit less and kind of make myself downsize. So it's forcing me to also just downsize my stuff, what I have been storing, things like that. Just kind of forces me to kind of change up my lifestyle a little bit, and not anything crazy. Like I'll still obviously do my Depop stuff. It'll just kind of force me to just, I don't know, be creative in a different way, reorganize stuff, all that nonsense. So I wanted to show you guys what I recently received in the mail. This was one of my most exciting packages that I have gotten recently. It's from Joa Brown. It's literally like my favorite loungewear website. So basically they sent me this new cropped crew neck. Oh my God, it's so cute and comfy. It's really cropped too, so I can wear like a longer tank top underneath. And then some sweatpants, a muscle tee. This muscle tee is like so beyond soft, and it's just, well, yeah, you guys can see it. And then just this cute little bra that I can wear under tops and stuff, because you know, itty bitty titty committee. I've actually purchased stuff from them before. This is my first like package that they've gifted me, which I'm so excited about. The pricing, however, is just, it's really expensive, I will say. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested, but just know that it is sustainable. It's LA made, US made. We're supporting people with jobs here that may be suffering, and you actually know who like the designer is. I appreciate that so much. I hate getting things where I don't know where they're coming from. I don't know who made them. I kind of like having that consumer to designer or seller like contact. It's just really cool. It feels more, I don't know, like I feel so much more authentic. And when you're wearing their pieces, when you're wearing their stuff, to me it just feels so cool. I feel so blessed that I'm able to even afford stuff like this and or receive stuff. If you can afford to support sustainable brands, please do. They're such great quality and they're amazing. They look really nice on. So that's my little 2 cents on that. Okay, so I want to show you guys this. I just purchased. It is vintage. I don't know what year it is, but it definitely is worn. You guys can see like here, there's definitely like some wear and tear. I got it for a really insanely good price. I think because it has like, there's actually, the coloring actually looks amazing on the front of the bag. Like this is like insane. I got it from Treasures of NYC. Normally they do a really good job of cleaning up the bags and like restoring the bags if they're super damaged. So yeah, like on the inside here, I will show you like this little like Genelle. This looks so freaking good. Like you can see a pen mark, and then on the inside there's like some pen marks at the bottom you can't really see, but other than that it's great condition. I got it for a great price. I don't even think you could get this brand new. If you wanted to, maybe you can, but I don't like buying brand new designer bags. I just feel like, I know I recently bought the Prada ones, but anything with like leather, I just feel like I'd rather just do a vintage buy. It's a little bit cheaper for the most part, unless you're buying like a super rare bag, but it's pretty much, it's always cheaper, and you know, you're kind of reusing, and again, like it makes me feel a little bit more like I'm doing like a good deed when I'm making purchases. You know, I'm supporting a company that's right out of the US that restores vintage items, and I think that's just really freaking cool. So
This guy is so freaking cute. Yeah, I'm really excited to add it to my collection. It's my second Genelle bag, which is really cool. But I think for summertime with like my sweats and stuff to just kind of dress up a look, you know, because where am I going? If I just want to feel a little bit dressier and cute, this is my bitch. Yeah, she cute. I'm just gonna set you right there, boo. Okay, so I'm gonna get dressed and edit my other vlog and probably gonna go grocery shopping. I'll show you guys what I get. Maybe sing a little song. And decide what I wanna do with my life. If I wanna move all my shit. Would you guys move to save $500? Let me know. So look at this tan I have going on. You guys, what? So I missed my bag, so I just applied some actually. So I don't tan my neck or my face, but I just put like bronzer on. But like, oh my gosh, isn't it nice? I put 2 coats of that. It's called Tan Luxe Hydra Mousse. It literally hydrates your skin. And I put 2 coats of it on, and literally, you guys, it's like such a creamy look. Okay, so we kind of get a lot of stuff. This is not my healthiest haul, but it is still pretty good. So this is my favorite bread. It's an organic, good seed, non-GMO bread. I can have gluten. I like to eat gluten-free, but this bread is so bomb. A non-GMO, like vegan bacon is always my favorite. I just think it's so good with avocado. Arugula, and this is butter red lettuce. I normally just get regular red lettuce, and they're both organic. I try to get everything that I'm eating organic, you guys. It's so important. I got these little dark chocolate peanut butter filled. They are gluten-free, I think. Yeah. Got some lemons for my lemon water, orange for water. I got these perfect bars. These are so bomb in the morning. I wanted to try this non-dairy banana cashew cookie dough yogurt. Got some watermelon, some fake cheese I like to put on like eggs, avocado. These little corn dogs are so good. They're vegan. Pickles, organic broccoli. I love adding frozen broccoli to like pastas and just any type of dish. Got myself some tulips, coffee, organic crackers for my goat cheese that I love. I'm gonna spoil myself. Some organic turmeric, apples, avocados, some granola, organic rice. I got this like fake chickpea curry chicken salad stuff that I can put on the butter lettuce cups over there. Tomatoes, bananas. We've got some sugar. It's like sugar-free ketchup, and it is non-GMO. And then just some gluten-free bow tie pasta and some tuna, a cucumber, and then these are like a raw kind of like peanut butter chocolate square. And yeah, we're gonna make some sweet potato fries and some, these are the Beyond Meat burgers, and just do it up with some vegan mayo, red onion, and jalapeno. So good. Okay guys, I'm gonna close out this vlog. I told myself I would sing more covers in my vlogs and just on my YouTube channel. And yeah, I've had this song stuck in my head. It's a Victoria Monet song. It's called Ass Like That. She's literally insane. You guys have to check out her stuff. She's like Ariana Grande's best friend songwriter girl that helped her write a lot of her last 2 albums. And she did a lot of stuff for Fifth Harmony too. So she's she knows her songs. So I'm gonna sing this little cover. And just thank you guys for watching this vlog. Also let me know what you guys think of this cover. It's not my best, but it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but we're gonna go for it, so. Said his name was Jim and that he'd make me better than before. So we work it out every day. We be making hits turn slow. You know what they say about the grass, but you water that's gonna grow. So I made it grow. Yeah, yeah, I know you love the way I'm looking in my jeans. You wish that you could hold that. I know you love the way my body's sitting up. Yeah, there's a reason I walk like this. I walk like this. Had to send a video. I don't edit my pics. I work for it. I'm on my shit. You know when I'm walking by, I know the truth is. He wanna know how she get that ass like that. How she get that ass like that. He wanna know ass like that. That ass like. 'Cause you don't want me now till you hear me on the radio. So you can shut me out. I'd hate to say that I told you so.